Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover cash flow potential in this multifamily 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom gem. This house was built in 2006. Two sections, offers versatile living, a 2-bed, 1-bath unit, and a 2-bed, 2-bath unit. Nestled near Drax Hall, this 4-bedroom haven offers it all: dining, hotels, plazas, and supermarkets. Only 12 minutes from Ocho Rios, with easy highway access to Kingston and Montego Bay. Embrace St. Anne's natural beauty and adventures, from veranda coffee moments to adventures at Dunn's River Falls. Safety and peace of mind are paramount, and Greenwich Estate delivers just that. Enjoy 24/7 security and a tight knit community that truly feels like home. Don't miss this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 375,000 or Jamaican $57.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.